Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to capture a screenshot on your Mac using your keyboard. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac, be signed on to your account, and then in order to capture a screenshot, press Command Shift and 3. And that gives us a screenshot of everything we see on the screen and places the photo on the desktop. So if we now double click, here we have the Mac screenshot on screen. If we just minimize this for the moment, Command Shift 4 gives us another screenshot. So we can choose the area to screenshot. Double click this now. We have the area that we screenshotted. Minimize this again. Command Shift 5 gives us the ability to capture the entire screen, selected window, or a selected portion. Capture the entire screen. Enter. We have the photo on our desktop now. Command Shift 5 again. Capture the selected window. Yes. We selected, we screenshotted, we captured. Command Shift 5 again. Select a portion. Change the size. Capture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 screenshots that we captured using Command Shift 3, 4, 5. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.